Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon.
Another watch.
Thunderstorm watch number 90, effective until 10 p.m.
Number 90.
This watch includes the following counties in South Carolina: Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Marion, Marlborough, and Williamsburg. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florida and the surrounding area.